back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. In case you're new, hi, my name is Whitney Wuzor and I'm so happy to have you here on this space. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top 5 favorite drugstore foundations. Now this video has been highly requested by you guys and I thought it was finally time for me to make this video for you guys. So if this is something that you are interested in, then let's jump straight in and continue watching. My first drugstore foundation is a foundation that I'm pretty sure 90% of you guys must have bought at least once in your life, and it is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. I did pick up one of their newest releases that comes in a tube, but the formula remains the same. Just in case you are not familiar with the formula, it does have a very runny texture that's perfect for anyone who has normal to oily skin. Now this foundation is a buildable foundation, which means that it is pigmented, but then it can get a little more pigmented in case you want to pack it on and you want to cover something. Now this essentially for me is something that I would wear on more for everyday basis, mainly because like you can see it's pigmented but it is very sheer, and I feel like this foundation is perfect for everyday because it does cover your pigmentation, but at the same time it does leave your skin looking like skin, not like you packed on heavy product on your face. And I feel like for the price, I'm not mad. This retails for 299 rupees, guys. 299. Okay, let's say 300 because marketing strategy, but yeah, 300 bucks, I'm not mad. And I believe this comes in 30 ml of product. That's how much of product you get inside this tube. You do have options. You do have another one that comes in a pump, but I personally picked this one up mainly because this is something that I could just throw in my bag and I don't have to worry about dropping it or anything. Not like I'm that careless, but yeah, you guys get my drift. Just in case you guys are wondering, I'm in the shade 355 Pecan and I love this. This is good. I highly recommend it. I mean, if you're first starting out with makeup, you don't know what foundation to indulge in, please go and check this out for 299 bucks, guys. You're not gonna regret this purchase right here. The next foundation is a foundation that I personally love and adore to the core, and it is the Makeup Revolution foundation stick. And girl, let me tell you, if you have acne scars, if you have hyperpigmentation, if you have anything that you just want to cover on your face or your body or just your skin in general, this is a foundation that you need to pick up, mainly because it is super duper pigmented, you guys, and a little goes a long way with this foundation. Guys, I am already out of this particular foundation. It's been used and abused. Can you see that? You guys can clearly see that this foundation has been used and abused, and I freaking love it. I will definitely repurchase this foundation. Now this foundation is particularly good, especially if you are doing bridal makeup or if you're doing a photo shoot, because this just covers all your imperfection and just blurs out your pores so evenly. This foundation is perfect for anyone who has normal, dry, combination skin, but oily skin, I wouldn't really recommend it for you guys, mainly because this does leave you with a very dewy finish, and I feel like with oily skin, at some point of the day your natural oils will start seeping through and it will just look like a grease ball. Now the formula of this foundation is so buttery smooth. I would say it's almost like a cream. The best way for me to describe this foundation is just like butter on toast. That's literally how it applies. It just glides on your face so beautifully. I highly recommend this, especially if you're looking for a full coverage foundation, or if you have a job interview and you have a tattoo that you need to cover, pick this up. You're not gonna regret it because it's freaking amazing. This retails for 850 rupees, which is $9. Now I don't have the full size photo for me to show you guys how much you're actually getting in this tube right here. There was a point in time that I was using this foundation literally every single day because of how good it was. So yeah guys, trust me, this foundation is amazing. Next up is one of my OG foundations. I remember me purchasing this foundation over 5 times. I've literally owned about 5 of these products in my entire makeup journey. I'm not even kidding. This foundation was bae for me. I don't know, I picked this up the other day and I was asking myself, why did I ever stop using this foundation? Because it's literally so good. Anyways, I've been blabbing so much about the foundation, I didn't even mention the foundation to you guys. So the foundation I'm talking about is the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. Now, I freaking love the formula of this foundation. However, though, the formulas of these two are sort of the same. However, this is more illuminating, so this makes you have that natural glow that, you know, you're glowing from within. Your skin is very healthy. This is what the formula does for you. However, this just sort of gives you that skin-like finish, you know, that mattifying finish, but this doesn't. So this is perfect for anyone who has dry, normal, and combination skin. Not recommended for anyone who has oily skin, because this will make you look like a grease ball. I'm not even kidding. And I've used this foundation for a good 6 hours without it budging, and that's just how good it was, guys. So this retails for $1,299, which is $10, but Nykaa always has sales, so make sure that you check them out whenever they have a sale, and then you could get this at a discounted price. So the next foundation is one of my recent purchases, and I don't think I've ever been obsessed with the product as much as I am with this one, and it is the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. You guys, this foundation is bae. Literally bae. Like, it is a full coverage foundation. It does have a matte finish. It is waterproof. It lasts for 24 hours. And it gives you a skin-like finish. Like, what more do you want from foundation? Oh, wait. And this even has a freaking pump. It has a pump, you guys. Like, crazy, right? Now, this foundation was formulated in collaboration with Alyssa Ashley. If you guys don't know who she is an amazing beauty YouTuber here, and I feel like she did an amazing job. Like, this particular foundation has a 40 shade range, you guys. Like, 40 shades, like, which is crazy, because I'm pretty sure you'll find a perfect shade for you. And that's amazing that a brand can literally come out and cater to women of different skin tones. And I feel like that's one major problem that I had with the majority of the brands, because I couldn't find my shade range. I either had to mix and match, which was more expensive for me because I have to buy 2 products and then mix it to get my perfect shade, and for me that was just a little more expensive. So coming to price, this retails for 1,300 rupees, which is $1,299, and I know that's a little expensive. Not everybody can afford it, but you guys, this is worth it. Trust me, it is. If you are looking for a good foundation, especially if you do have combination or oily skin, or even normal skin will do, guys, close your eyes and just trust me on this. Invest in this foundation. You will not regret it. However, I wouldn't recommend this foundation to anyone who has dry skin, because this foundation is very mattifying. Like, your skin can breathe with this foundation, but I just wouldn't recommend it to anyone. Love it. And the main reason why I love it, why am I even forgetting? The main reason why I love it is because this foundation doesn't lift, you know. There's some foundations where if you touch your face, you'll have all the product on your skin, but for this, it does not lift. I essentially love wearing this foundation, especially when I have an event or a photo shoot where I know there'll be lots of lights in front of me and I'm going to be taking a lot of pictures. This is perfect for that. This is also perfect for bridal makeup, because brides will be taking a lot of pictures. They will be outdoor, you know, greeting people, smiling throughout the day. So this is really perfect because it will last a really long time. And if I have to recommend one product amongst all 5, I will have to tell you guys to pick this one up, because it's just so worth it. It's so worth it. Now, last but not least is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Foundation. Unfortunately, I no longer own this foundation because I ran out of it and I couldn't find my shade here in India, which is my biggest struggle. But yeah, it's good. It's a good foundation. It is a 24-hour foundation that gives you a semi-matte finish, and it retails for $12.99, which is the same amount you would pay for this foundation. And that foundation and this foundation is pretty similar. It has yeah, it's very similar. It gives you a skin-like finish. It doesn't lift. It's a 24-hour foundation. and I've literally worn both the foundations for a good 12 hours and it hasn't budged. I don't think I've ever worn my foundation for 24 hours. I don't think I will ever wear my foundation for 24 hours unless I'm shooting something. But I'm not an actress, so that's highly unlikely. So guys, that was it for this video. Do let me know in the comment section below if you do own any of these foundations that I mentioned in this video. Also, let me know what is your favorite drugstore foundation, because I'm pretty sure I would like to test it out, because I'm always looking for good drugstore products that just work, and I'm pretty sure it will help a lot of other people out there who are watching this video in case they cannot get their hands on any of these products. At least they may get some inspo and, you know, try out one of your recommendations. So let me know in the comment section below. I really hope you found this video informative. I really hope that you liked it. In case you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel, and also click on that bell so you can get notified each and every time I upload a new video, which is every Monday and Friday. So you guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Just in case you guys want to see more of me and more beauty related videos, I do have an entire playlist right there, and in case you guys are looking for travel and lifestyle, I have another playlist right there, so go click so that you can see more of me. And yeah, I'm waiting.